So, wow, I'm an idiot. Cut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be more POV driving clips, but I figured I'd start with some initial commentary, as well as maybe when I get to the top of the mountains, see if I can find some other cool cars, take some videos of those, see where everything goes from there. Just kind of want to expand on my videos some more. So yeah, here's a startup video and then we'll get to driving. So yeah, I figured I'd add a bit of commentary throughout the video on a little bit of the driving, except for parts where I'm pretty spirited, but kind of wanted to see if it makes the videos more entertaining, all of that. Kind of talk about the direction I want to take this channel. Really only been uploading for a little bit, still trying to figure everything out. But basically I'd like to just see it kind of just grow with the idea of just kind of storing all my driving content to look back on, and hopefully others enjoy it as well. It'd be great if it started to grow a little bit, but my biggest thing is just putting out content that I enjoy watching myself, and hopefully others do too. Just see where it goes from there. No real major expectations, just a hope that I can keep driving this car and other crazy cool cars in the future. And yeah, maybe spot some other cars, start videoing with other people on some cruises and stuff like that. Just whatever happens. Figured I'd get out on the road right before this next storm we're about to have around here. Won't be able to drive this car for a little bit, and might start talking about what I have done to the car a little bit later on in this video. And yeah. Another thing I want to mention is it's been pretty cold here recently, pretty wet out, so even though it hasn't rained for about a week or two, roads aren't totally dry. So being on some Michelin Cup 2s, not the best combo, so certain parts I won't be really pushing it. Anyone who saw last video, my back end did kick out for a quick second, but thankfully it's not super wet, so I can still enjoy the roads a bit. So while I take this downhill, I think I'll just start talking about kind of what's done to the car, how I have it set up, what I use it for, or what styles of driving I use it for, I guess. So basically, like I mentioned previously, I'm sitting on Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2s, 295s in the front, 325s in the rear. That's just, it made a huge difference from the previous setup. That, along with the MagneRide, makes this heavy ZL1 pretty nimble. A lot of power to push around these turns, uphill and downhill, all of that. Besides the tires, my suspension setup is pretty much stock. I'm running 2 degrees of camber in the front, 1.8 in the rear, a little bit of, or almost no toe out. I have a full sheet of the exact suspension setup, which I'll go ahead and put in the video. But power-wise, 6.2 liter LSA with a 1.9 liter supercharger, running 15 pounds of boost, heads, headers, full 2.75 diameter exhaust, going back to stock mufflers, just so I still have the valves. Might swap them out for a different set of mufflers later on if I want to get a little more aggressive. But yeah, 3-inch Sport Cats, and yeah, a 2.3 millimeter upper pulley, hence why I'm running 15 pounds of boost. When I got it dynoed, it put down 575 to the wheels, and I believe it was 573 pound-feet of torque. So yeah, pretty good power bump from stock. These things make 580 to the engine. Healthy motors will range anywhere from 500 to, I've seen 510, 512, so around there. So I have about 60, 65-ish wheel horsepower gain. Plenty of power to use on these mountain roads. Don't feel like I'm lacking there. If I could do anything right now, it would just to be increase the downforce a little bit, which I do plan on doing by getting a Z28 style rear deck lid and just improving that. Maybe move away from MagneRide and into some very aggressive coilovers, but that wouldn't be for a while. But yeah, just kind of enjoying the car as is, seeing where things go with it. But basically, this is a great mix of straight line power and handling capability. I don't feel like I'm turning a boat around these turns, and the sound is pretty great too. So guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Couple accidents up top, so not much great driving. But yeah, I might start adding more commentary like this, just kind of see where things go. Anyone watching the video, feel free to let me know your thoughts. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video too, and I'll catch you on the next one.